let's make a PS5, bro. I want to make a PS5. Let's make a PS5, bro. We can do the box first. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do the box. Alright, so when you get here, you might have to make an account, but I already made mine. I'm gonna save it as a FBX file. Nah, matter of fact, I'm gonna save it as a DLB file. Easy work. Alright, go to desktop, save. I'm gonna close that. I'm gonna go to refresh. We're gonna go to Sims 4 Studio. The links will be in the description below. Easy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, y'all. Alright, so first thing we want to do is when we get into Sims 4 Studio, if this is your first time using Sims 4 Studio, you might have to like set it to the game and set your version of Blender. So I'd open Blender up first if I was y'all, and install Blender first. But so after you get done doing that, you come over here and create 3D mesh, go to object, and you just find an object you want to replace with this and work. So I'm gonna export this. I'm gonna just start all the way over. That's all. That's what I'm gonna just start all the way over. Fucking pray. Alright, boom, one. Ready this other thing. I'm gonna tackle this. Turn all this off. Import the model. It's Firefox. Fill it up. So they're gonna stop for gas. And I'm gonna bodyguard. Drag it up. Right. So should I wait for them to stop? Like in front of them, pop the RPG, fuck it all up. Alright. Hold on. And I'm gonna come down here. Matter of fact, we're gonna just get rid of these. I'm gonna delete that. It should be on the box. I gotta delete this. We're gonna rotate it again. Grab both of them and rotate them. I'm gonna hold shift so it'll closer, closest to perfect. We're gonna scale it up. I'm gonna hit S, and then I'm gonna hold X. Okay, that's just turn like that. I'm gonna hit 3 and then hold shift and then drag it like C. S. Drag it like that. One again. Oh, I look like okay, cause it. That. Okay, these probably the sides. Guessing them the sides. I'm gonna see if that's the right side. I think this the right side. Down. Alright. Yeah. Handle up. Okay, it should be good. Now we're gonna select both of them, join them. Guys. Alright, boom. Hopefully it's not too big when we put it in the game. Delete this. Up to the mesh box. Weight paint. Transfer weights. My name. Clean. All groups. Alright. Object. Go to the mesh. Edit mode. AS. Vertice. Object. Boom. Join. Okay. Join. Import. And if you don't remember the name, it's right here. Boom. And it worked. Wow, fucking I go back here, go to import. Alright, boom, now we got the PS5 in here. But this part didn't do right. So in order to fix that, it's because we didn't UV map it. We put these both together. I probably could make another mesh and then probably could have made this another mesh since it had two meshes. I could have made that another, turned that handle into its own mesh. Uh, to do that easier, but I'm gonna go edit mode. I'm gonna grab the handle, so I'm gonna come to. I'm gonna do UV underscore 0, and then I'm gonna do this and hit L. So okay, it didn't grab all of it. When it doesn't grab all of it, go to wireframe, then do this, then hit Control L. So that's what it do right there. Then go over here. Get on a PS5 box. That's not it. This is the PS5 box. Alright, so You want to select all of this by hitting A, then hold S to scale it down. Then we just drag it to the white part. So, and now I go back to this mode and come over here, go to object, and boom. You dig what I'm saying? You dig what I'm saying? Then now we hit file, hit save. Then we're gonna re-import it. Now, finally we got it. And then I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like inside of the game too. Alright, so you see it came out perfect. Steps kids, we got the bottom of it. It's probably gonna be too big inside the game though. Like the way it's built. Like it's probably gonna be bigger than a PlayStation look in real life. I'm gonna put colors for it. Okay. Boom. Then we got PS5 box. We can change this stuff to make it fit to what your stuff is. You ain't paying all that for a PS5 box, brother. And also, you gotta change this too. You gotta import this again. Because if not, what that does is, if not, it'll be like, you'll look backwards or whatever. You'll drag the camera out and you'll see a rabbit. So that's why you do these. These are the lies. And I'm gonna do this. I don't think I gotta do this, but I'm gonna do it just because. Alright, boom. So you can adjust these too if you want to. White, blue. None of this other stuff matter, right? So I'm gonna hit save. Alright, so it should have spawned on the desktop. If you're not sure what the name of it is, you can go to the Salesforce Studio and then it'll show it right here. So it's gonna be this. And then I'm gonna change the name of it to PS5 box. Alright, boom, I'm gonna close this because I'm done with it. You don't have to close yours, but I'm gonna copy mine. Open mods folder is. I've been doing other stuff. Yeah, I think that's right. Okay, this should be it. Mods folder, then I'm gonna go to Clutter. Alright, so now we're gonna open up the game. Man, hit that like button, brother. Hit that like button, brother. If I just taught you how to do this, hit that like button, brother. Hit that like button, brother. Kind of messed up, but it's okay, brother. I'm gonna close all this other stuff too. Bumping that young boy, all y'all. This is Officer Remit, Kaden. And spam the like button, man. We just taught y'all how to do this, Joe. I ain't got too many mods in, so my game opened up kind of relatively fast. Hold on. I like to do this. I like to hit the window key so I don't hear that loud noise when you spawn in. It's kind of annoying. I wish I could turn it off. And drop a man. If y'all a content creator, drop a video on how to turn that off. Drop a tutorial on how to turn that off. Play out of a bit. Alright. And I still hear it. It's fine. Alright, so and then we can just type it in PS5. You ain't even gotta type the whole name in, you just type PS5 in and then yeah, you see how big it is, bro. I'm gonna leave it at that. And like, comment, and subscribe, y'all.